Hi, Boutle. I hope that you're well. Thank you for your question regarding the solving of simultaneous equations using elimination. So I'm going to be rewriting your equations down. So it's 5x plus 12y minus 10 equals to 0. And the second equation is 2x minus 3y plus 35 equals to 0. So using the elimination method, what we need to do is we need to solve this equation by cancelling out a variable on the top or the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to focus on one of the variables, either the x or the y. I see we've got a plus y on the top and a minus y on the bottom. So it may be easier to cancel because we've got a plus and a minus. So in order to cancel the y, we need the bottom y to look like the top one. And how is that possible? Well, we can times the bottom equation by 4. It will then become 8x minus 12y plus, and you can calculate what that is, 35 times 4. Yes, it is 140 equals to 0. We now have two equations that we can use, and we can add these equations to each other in order to solve. So I'm going to say 5x plus 8x, that gives me 13x. 12y minus 12y is 0, so the y goes away. Then we have minus 10 plus 140, which gives me plus 130 equals to 0. I'm then going to solve for x and say 13x equals to minus 130, and x then equals to minus 130 over 13, which equals to minus 10. In order to solve for y, we can use either of the equations that we have on the top. So I'm going to use the equation 5x plus 12y minus 10 equals to 0. And in the place of x, I'm going to plug in minus 10. So 5 times minus 10 plus 12y minus 10 equals 0. And this is minus 50 plus 12y minus 10 equals to 0. We then have 12y equals to minus 50, and minus 10 is minus 60, but if we take it over, it becomes 60. So y then equals to 60 over 12, which is in fact 5. And there we go. We've solved our simultaneous equation, and the two solutions, or the variable solutions, are x equals to minus 10 here and y equals to 5. I hope this helps your understanding. Feel free to ask further questions regarding simultaneous equations and other topics, and have fun trying out more quizzes on the Watobi app regarding this topic. All the best.